Organizations often seek to increase business productivity by monitoring their assets and people closely. To achieve this, they need a comprehensive solution that's beyond the passive control over inventories, finances, people, or machinery. We introduce Agreefy Tag, a multi-technology platform that helps you monitor and manage assets or people in real time. Now, tag, track, and locate your assets to within centimeter precision with the help of a vast range of smart technologies such as Bluetooth, RFID, ultra-wideband, and LoRaWAN. Agreefy Tag can be easily integrated with your existing ERP and asset management systems. Get instant updates on your desktop and mobile device and optimize operational processes through your personalized intuitive dashboard. Track and manage employee attendance anytime and anywhere, improving their schedule adherence and allowing for time and money savings. Agreefy Tag also detects any unusual activity within the facility using smart geofence alerts to ensure your organization's safety and security 24/7. Resort to a cost and time-effective asset management method that gives you the flexibility to incorporate efficient future-proof technologies without the fear of forklift upgrades. Gain predictive insights and improve your operations with Agreefy Tag. Contact us for a demo today and see how Agreefy drives your business growth from day one.